If you need to cancel a subscription through Google Wallet, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Open Google Wallet. Launch the Google Wallet app on your mobile device or access it through a web browser. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Navigate to Subscriptions. In the app or website, look for the Subscriptions section. This is typically found in the menu or settings area. Click on it to view all your active subscriptions. Step 3. Select the subscription. Find the subscription you wish to cancel from the list. Click on it to access the subscription details, where you can see information such as the billing cycle and payment method. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. This may be labeled as cancel subscription or something similar. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Step 5. Check for confirmation. After cancelling, ensure you receive a confirmation message or email regarding the cancellation. This will serve as proof that your subscription has been successfully terminated. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Google Wallet subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Google support for further assistance.